Hello friends, welcome you all at my YouTube channel. Stay home and be safe while world is fighting with corona. So friends, this is AutoCAD tutorial number 4 in which we are going to design and modeling of the following objects. Just see here, one is this is a sprocket. Another one just see here in the sheet. So we will design this sprocket first and in second we will design this one. So friends, we ready and let's start. Go into the AutoCAD. Just close this. Start your AutoCAD. Yeah. Go into the drafting mode. First of all, we need to design a circle, center circle with a diameter. So click here. The diameter of 20 mm. Again, press space key and design another with diameter of 20 mm. Again press and go at the center. Design one more with the diameter of 80 mm. Let's make it 100. So friends, we are going to let's see how we can do. So first start with the inner side. Let's make another circle at this point. Circle diameter will be 6. Okay. For the better understanding, take a construction line. One is vertical at the center and another horizontal at the center. We have taken a construction line here as well. Now select this one. Sorry. Trace a smaller circle and learn one more command. This is called click here, go into the polar array, select this object, press enter, specify the center. We have taken the number here, we can change here, but we required 6, then press ESC. We have prepared one. Now you can remove this one. Another thing, just take one line from here to here. Mm length and tab. This will be 130. Press ESC. Draw a circle here with the diameter of 10. Take a line command, join at this point, press ESC, go into the circle command, take 10 radius, click this point and give the radius of 5, that is okay. Draw another line from this point to this point. Again take 10 radius, this point and specify, press enter. Say 10 radius. Now friends, just use the trim command for removing. Press right click, remove this one, this one, this one, this one and this one, this one and this one also. Press ESC for out of the command. Now just select this one, this line, curve, this and this, and again take. Now it is asking the center. Take the center here, click here. Now friends, here press ESC. Here you can see we have almost done with the internal geometry. Now let's come on this point, take another line command, this should be 78, means from vertical line to its 20 degree, give its angle is 20, press OK, sorry, Ctrl Z, give it 20, tab, press 20, enter. Take a line command from here, click this point, to this point, angle should be 20. We have drawn. Now just select this, take a mirror of this along first point, select this one and second should this one, enter. So we have created one more profile here. Now you can remove this circle, just select and delete this one also. Now what we are going to do, select this one and this one, again take a polar array in which circular array, need to select the center point from this point, select and give the number. It's looking higher, give it 60 number. Now it's looking okay. Press ESC for exit. Just zoom it. From here take 2-point circle. This point and this point. Sorry, Control Z. Take a 2-point circle. This point, another one is at this point. Select this and delete. Take a trim command, right click, delete the internal geometry. Now it has created. And just press ESC. Again select this one. Take a circular array. Now we need to select the center again, this one. Give the number is 60. So now friends, you can see this is completed now. What the next? Now you can delete this one also. Sorry, Control Z. This circle, delete this, it's not in use now. Delete this line, select and delete this construction line also. And join this. Now friends, what we need to do, go into the 3D modeling. Take a RESTful command. Yes friend. So just take a pressful command. I have taken pressful command from here. Click at this point and give the thickness is 8 from here. Click here. Give the thickness of 8 again. Almost we have done with this. Go into the 3D. Okay, press out of command first. Go into the this. Okay, we have taken a slightly better. Just Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Again take a pressful command. Taken this. We need 8 means 8. Take the inside one. Sorry. Take the inside one. Give the 8. Okay. Go into the. Now friends, here you can see it's now looking perfect. From here, just rotate it. You can see. So here from this we can change the slightly realistic. This is the realistic look. We can go into the conceptual also. So friends, just try to save it this point, save or export in PDF. Give the name Sprocket. Sprocket to save. Yeah, PDF is creating. Okay, just 1 minute to make it import export in PDF to say yes. Yes, we have generated the. So friends, just zoom it up to the 150 here. See, this is what we have designed. This is looking fantastic, I think. So now let's move for another designing. Click here. No, I don't need this. Other one is here, already designed. I have prepared this for you all. Here you can see. Already I have prepared it for you all. So dear friends, just take a PDF of this also. See how it is looking. Suppose it is D2. Just see it. How it is looking. All this. Friends, just try to see that this is like a homework for you. You can design it at your PC. Okay. So friends, I hope you have understand and enjoy this session. If you are learning something from here, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.